तुमने कोशिश की.
Did you try? Did you try?
अपना वादा याद रखें.
Remember your promise. Remember your promise.
मुझे याद दिलाएं.
Remind me. Remind me.
मेरा मशवरा लो.
Take my advice. Take my advice.
आपके मशवरे की जरूरत नहीं.
Don't need your advice. Don't need your advice.
मैं मजबूर हूँ.
I am compelled. I am compelled.
मैं परेशान हूँ.
I am worried. I am worried.
मुझे एक दिन की छुट्टी चाहिए.
I need a day off. I need a day off.
अपनी लिखाई सुधारो.
Improve your writing. Improve your writing.
दरवाजा बंद कर दो.
Close the door. Close the door.
वो पहले आए.
She came first. She came first.
तुमने झूठ बोला.
You lied. You lied.
मैंने सच बोला.
I spoke truth. I spoke truth.
मुझे ये डरावना लगता है.
I find it scary. I find it scary.
जरा पीछे हटो.
Just back away. Just back away.
पूछो भी मत.
Don't even ask. Don't even ask.
खुद देख लो.
See for yourself. See for yourself.
रातों रात कुछ नहीं होता.
Nothing happens overnight. Nothing happens overnight.
मुझे पहले चेक करना होगा.
I'll have to check first. I'll have to check first.
मैं चाय का दीवाना नहीं हूँ.
I am not fan of tea. I am not fan of tea.
नजरअंदाज मत करो.
Don't ignore. Don't ignore.
छत टपक रही है.
The roof is leaking. The roof is leaking.
ये जल्दबाजी का फैसला था.
It was a hasty decision. It was a hasty decision.
इसने मुझे उदास कर दिया.
This made me sad. This made me sad.
वो मुझे गुस्सा दिलाता है.
He makes me angry. He makes me angry.
मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ.
Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry.
खबरें लगाओ.
Turn into news. Turn into news.
अखबार कहाँ है?
Where's the newspaper? Where's the newspaper?
आज की खबर सुनिए.
Listen the today's news. Listen the today's news.
गूगल पर चेक करें.
Check on Google. Check on Google.
उसे नीचे उतारो.
Get him down. Get him down.
वो देर से पहुंचा.
He arrived late. He arrived late.
वो धीरे बोलती है.
She speaks gently. She speaks gently.
पागल मत बने.
Don't be crazy. Don't be crazy.
इसने ऊपर देखा.
He looked up. He looked up.
वहां जल्दी पहुंचो.
Get there early. Get there early.